I'm a third-year music student at Oriel College. I'm in my final year at the moment, and I really enjoy what I do. Through the Brightwings course, I realized that personal branding is incredibly important, and especially in the music field where there's so many more aspiring conductors. That is when it's very important to distinguish yourself from others. What do I have to offer that others don't? What more value I can add to the existing music scene and to the existing resources and members I have in my orchestra. And for me, I realized that my personal contributions to the music scene would be fusion of different repertoires. And this is why it led me to coming up with a concert repertoire of both Western traditional folk music as well as Chinese traditional folk music. Honestly, I think Brightwings really helped with that, because I had really had a hard time trying to think if I should do what everyone else is doing, or should I just be true to myself.